At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. Well, I want to take a good look at my screen, my wisdom warriors, because I don't know what kind of game the JCF are playing. Arrest warrant is still active for Movado. The Jamaican police have an outstanding warrant for the arrest of international dancehall star Movado. A police official and the entertainer's attorney have confirmed to the Gleaner. When you hear them something I know, my wisdom warriors, when you hear all these nonsense after every single thing them do to Movado. You remember the woman, you remember the politician woman where they try to thief the man place? And just because the man talk about it and I try to fight the case, my wisdom warriors, they not like Movado. What is this? What is this? You know, the other day I sit down and I said, Jano, when they release Movado's son and then Movado come out early the next morning and say, I'm going to sue them, I turn to my husband and I say to him, you know, say Movado come out too quick. You should wait and give it a break. You know, because I not trust them government there. When I see this, my wisdom warriors, like, it not surprise me. It not surprise me. It have to be a game. Why they not leave Movado alone? Why them not leave Movado? Every minute they say warrant out. For what? We don't know. They not tell we for what. One thing me know, you know, the government of Jamaica cannot be trusted. That's all me know, me people. If you don't agree, just write agree in the comment section for me there. Here, this. There'll be a new Jamaica Labour Party, JLP standard bearer in South Manchester for the upcoming general election. My wisdom warriors, una hear them as something you know? Remember, say me play a voice note with Robert Chin, a run off your mouth. You see these labor rights, my people, them lie so till them themselves believe them own a lie. Me say them lie so till them themselves believe them own a lie. Businessman Ian Ives defeated the incumbent member of parliament, MP Robert Chin, in a selection exercise on Sunday. Ives won 54% of votes among party workers compared to 35% of votes that went to Chin and 10% claimed by Adrian Pert. Me people, remember me telling you say, them no want Robert Chin. Una remember the video clip of me show no when the people them at the meeting did stand up and them say, where we prime minister? And he was standing there, them no want him, and he come out and make it look like say a PNP a walk and a tell lie. Me no know how the labor right them stay so. All when them own people no want them, you know, and the evidence is there, you know, then say PNP a walk and a spread propaganda. Why would the foolish set of people may ever buck up on? No labor right. The foolish set of people. So, Robert Chin, let me ask you a question. You don't feel shame? You don't feel shame because now you're not going to be the MP for South Manchester. You're not. My wisdom warriors, me have to really laugh. He's not. After him come out and I tell lie on his own herself and he knows that the people them don't want him. Remember, so the people them come out before, you know, and the people then did a protest and say, you know, do nothing for the constituency. Remember, good no Jamaica, come play it over here. Them say, you know, do nothing for the constituency. The only time they see him are when election are come, true election are come. But other than that, the people they say they don't see him. And my man, they come out and make it look like a PNP, a cause problem. Jesus mercy. Hey, one thing with them, you know, all when the problem, in a for them party, you know, them make it look like say no problem not in there. All when the pan video, them still a see a lie. And look at that now. Look at this now. Ian Ives beats Robert Chin in selection exercise to end Rocky tenure in South Manchester. So, MP Robert Chin, you're not going to be the MP anymore. And my wisdom warriors, me did have to come and show on this year. Yeah, me did have to show on so the man in the green will not represent South Manchester anymore because look on the people them over there. Look on the people them. This man on the left, Ian Ives, him are gonna be the standard bearer in South Manchester. Tell me what you think. Residents of Galloway Road in Kingston are protesting against reports that a man in the community engaged the police in a shootout leading to his death. My wisdom warriors, me did have to laugh a while ago. God no, me did have to giggle. Can you imagine these police, anytime they kill anybody, they come and talk about confrontation and shootout. Every time. This man is a mentally ill man. This man no hold gun. But them kill the man. Them kill the man, Them don't know that the man sick, And then kill the man. And I can't see a shootout. You see how these Jamaican police are wicked? You see how they're wicked? Me box cover. Hey. I saw them deal with the youth, them, I saw them deal with enough innocent youth dead. I never see a gun from them band. Seriously. And the JCF tell lie upon the people them and see a shootout when nothing no go like this. Look at this now. This man lose him life. This man sick. This man is a mentally ill man. And the police then shoot the man and say a shootout. Hey, uno JCF, uno wicked, No, man. Uno wicked. Boy, uno wicked. Uno no have no compassion. Uno wicked. But what can I say? What can I say? Andrew Holness say, Judge Ardai Maker and Horace Chang say, shoot to kill. And obviously, everyone can see a shoot to kill on the pan. You understand me? That on the pan. It is really unacceptable, my wisdom warriors. This what them do, it is unacceptable. It is wrong. This is why we have to vote out the government. Because the government make the JCF them out and do all these type of things. At the government fault. At them we are blame. Because at them I tell them so if you shoot to kill and ask questions after. See they know they ask questions after and look, this man is a mentally ill man. This man is a mentally ill man. The person we are deal with this, them need to get fire. Them one when name Kevin Blake, him need to get fire. We need to start protesting in Jamaica against these things. We need to start protest against these things. Else it will get worse. And when it gone bad, we can't do nothing about it. So we need to stand up from now. Because if they can come out and kill a mentally ill man, what them wanna do? What them wanna do? My people, wanna tell me what you think. Anyway, I'm gonna bring on straight over Southeast St. Elizabeth because over the turn up Low Tilly Book, my wisdom warriors. Hear this.
So comrades, Orange, PNP River come down bang to bang tonight. I want to pause to recognize all the members seated on the platform. We have a star-studded platform tonight, but all protocols have been already established. Comrades, we have a very powerhouse speaker tonight in Comrade Damian Crawford. And so I do not propose to be long, but I ask that you spare me 2 minutes, Comrade Mario. Because this coming election is not going to be an easy election that is coming. It is a serious peace election, comrades. I mean, I want to not take it lightly because the future of the country is at stake in this coming election. And so we have a duty to go out in our numbers. We have a duty to reach out to our friends, to reach out to our neighbors, and let them know that Norman Scott must be the next member of parliament for Southeast St. Elizabeth. Comrades, at present you have a member of parliament who the uncle thing him do and I go to parliament, go mark his name present and come back home. And sleep. I am telling you that in Scotty, in Comrade Norman Scott, you have a hard-working comrade. You're going to have a member of parliament who will fight for you, to fight for the farmers, to fight for the small businessman and businesswoman, to fight for the children who want to go to school but can't afford the bus fare or the school fee. You're going to have a member of parliament who has a heart for the people, who is committed to you, who is committed to working for you to build a better Southeast St. Elizabeth. So when me hear say them a tear down the billboards, comrade, me no worry about that, they kind of build there. Cause the bill where comrade Scott a go bill, them the billboard they can't hold a light to the development and the progress that he will bring to Southeast St. Elizabeth. But I said to your comrades, it is not going to be an easy task because I see them out in their numbers. Just 2 nights ago, they have a little meeting in my own constituency. And I see they come with the promises. Them start promise how them are going to fix all of the ball field them in the constituency. Them start promise how all of the roads them are going to get fixed. The roads were never fixed in the 5 years that they served as member of parliament, so fix in the next 5 months before an election. The only thing left for them promise is to promise with AC in a Santa Cruz. Everything where them can promise them a promise. I mean, noticing comrades, sometimes as a woman, comrades, sometimes as a woman they want to accept how we know. I mean, notice that they depart my name from the other night, comrades. Me notice that them a talk about say, pretty face and pretty smile can't run things in my constituency. But comrades, I am here to tell them tonight that ugly face and ugly smile can't run things in my constituency either. And when I tell you, so them I promise everything, comrades. Me notice that them draw for a garbage truck and then put them picture on the garbage truck. But comrades, you see, because me and a garbage, you will never live to see my picture on a garbage pan.
Right, there's some people right there, so she at not true. Me say she at. What happened to them? I saw them stay, Me say the labor right them, they love take them picture and fling all about. If on a water truck, then put it on garbage truck. Boy, me I tell you, them terrible. No wonder why them go on so. No wonder why them go on so. They not have no ambition in the Jamaica Labour Party. Members of the right truck, did come out and tell you, owner labor right them said them not have no ambition, so we can't expect better from them. My wisdom warriors, hear this.
Now if a fretboard poor people pick me again when him take the mantle of education, I bring to you Comrade Damian Crawford.
Let the power fall on us, alright. Fall on us. Oh, let the power of heaven fall on us. Let the power fall on us. Respect. I want to say a special good night to all the dignitaries on the platform. The candidates for councillors and the candidates for member of parliament. I want to also say thank you to you, the supporters of the People's National Party, for sticking with the People's National Party. When there was a time when everybody thought that we would have been down and out for a very long time, and it is you who stuck to the task that has carried us back to being competitive and being the favorites going into the next election. So personally, I want to thank you for what you have done. Now today, I want to tell you something that I discovered recently. I recognize that slavery ended in Jamaica in 1833. That means that we have almost 8 years before it is 200 years since slavery ended. It means only 2 general election cycle is left before 200 years after slavery ended. Yet, we still have most of our people experiencing the realities that existed in slavery. We still have people who can't eat when they're hungry. You know people who, if cash pot no call them number, them can't eat. You have people if dog no follow post, no dinner no cook. You have people in pain and suffering that is on 6 months waiting list to get health care. People foot broke and set back and have to broke back to fix back. I met a man have 3 strokes, lay down in bed, can't move, can only smile. They don't know what caused the 3 strokes. And them say in 4 months, he will see a neurologist. You still have people when they own the land. The only time they own a piece of land is where they bury. And your biggest party is at night. No money no spend upon some people till then dead. And the day before them bury. I don't think that this is what our forefathers meant when they said, we shall overcome. If you meditate upon that song, it never said we, it said someday, a period that they could not imagine, which means they were talking to their children. When they say, we shall overcome, they were talking about you and me as the possibility to overcome. So when you meditate on what is going on, I decided when I was coming down today that since cartel keep Freedom Street, I'm going to come and give a freedom speech. And the freedom speech is going to first start by explaining what are the types of freedom. There are 3 types of freedom. The first freedom, how are you going? Everything good? PMP boss? All right, cool. We just want to know everything all right. The first freedom is the freedom to dream. And that is God-given. What God gives, no man can take away. That is why even the slave could dream he was free. That's why my father say you're dreaming, you're floating on $1,000 bill. That when you're broke, you can dream you're rich. When you're sick, you can dream you're healed. The first freedom is the freedom to dream. And that is God-given. The second freedom is the freedom to be. It is that freedom that slavery took away. That you could not be whatever you wanted to be. You couldn't go wherever you wanted to go. And you couldn't do whatever you wanted to do. The freedom to be is God desired. But because God gave human beings choices, they may do things that God don't desire. So the first freedom is the freedom to dream, God given. And the second freedom is the freedom to be. In 1833, we were given the freedom to be. The third freedom is the freedom to achieve. And that is God pleasing. So because we are no longer slaves to be, the system has created a slavery to achieve. We don't have that fundamental freedom to achieve. And it is the duty of the People's National Party to be the revolutionists in that fight for the people to be free to achieve.
So my wisdom warriors, only hear it from Damian Crawford. The people them, when me tell us, say them enough over South St. Elizabeth last night. The place turn up, man. When me tell you, say the place turn up till it buck. The place turn up till it buck. Then can't hold PNP again. PNP gonna lead. This is why you see them are grown and I take down the PNP billboard them. That is the reason why they're grown and I take down the PNP billboard them, you know, because they're afraid. They're afraid, man. You don't have to afraid. Labor right. Why you not go around and trouble PNP? PNP now look upon Uno. PNP just a put in the work. The more them put in the work, the more Uno come and I try to oppress PNP. Focus upon yourself, man. We don't have found a billboard out and PNP now look upon it because we don't care about that. Come on, man, do the right thing. But we know so we can't do the right thing. Uno under serious pressure. Uno know that. Uno know say PNP are lead by far. Uno bad mind. Uno envious. Uno grudgeful. When things are going with Uno come out every day and show off and hype. But now true things are going for PNP. Uno catch bad mind. Uno for go. Uno for go. Wala uno set a drunk crow. But uno out here trouble PNP billboard. Eh? Kupa uno too. Uno have no ambition. PNP a try to help uno. PNP a try to help uno sorry ass. And out here every day I trouble PNP. My wisdom warriors. Uno tell me what you think. Tell me about this speech and how you feel about it. Put uno honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Big up on a nice clean self. One love. My wisdom warriors, don't forget Mark Golding budget presentation tomorrow. Remember, Mark Golding budget presentation will be tomorrow at 2 o'clock, my people. Don't miss it. Alright? Stay tuned.
Today I want to talk to you about the importance of getting enumerated. Now, imagine looking around your constituency, your community, and identifying things that you want changed, but you don't have a say in making those changes. If you get registered to vote today or before March 31st, you'll become eligible to vote by May 31st. So I want to implore you to get on the voters list, get registered so that you can have a meaningful say in the changes that are effected in your constituency.